Here's lesson 115, number 22. It says log base 2 of root x equals the square root of log base 2 of x. So I'm trying to solve for x. So I want to square both sides, but actually up here I tried squaring both sides without using the log law, and it didn't turn out nicely for me. So first use the log law over here, where, well, rewrite this as x to the half and then use that log law that lets the exponent come out front. Now I'm ready to square both sides. So when I square this square root, I just end up with log base 2 of x. That's an x. And then when I square this, I'm going to get 1/4, and then this whole log base 2 of x is going to be squared like that. But then I decided to bring the right hand side over because I realized that the only way I'm ever going to get that thing unsquared is to, well, I'm just going to do a diamond problem on it, or treat it like it's a quadratic, okay? Use a zero product property on it. So that's why I subtracted this from both sides and got it, set it equal to 0, because now I can factor out log base 2 of x. So factor out log base 2 of x, and I'll get 1/4 log base 2 of x minus 1. Well, now we have zero product property. Okay, so I can set this equal to 0, and I can set this factor equal to 0. This one, you bring the 1 over and then divide by 1/4. Well, if 1 divided by 1/4 is 4, that's where that came from. And then this one, set it equal to 0, and then you get 2 to the 0 equals x, and on this one you get 2 to the 4th equals x, so I get two answers. X is 1 and x is 16.